day 53. I'm here again with Thomas and he's still playing Fortnite. It's literally been days and he's here again playing Fortnite, going at it, going hard in the paint. And I got cookout. Cookout selection is peanut butter, Butterfinger mixed together. It's so good, but I got some fries and quesadillas. I'm uploading a video. It is currently like 6:30. I have not slept. The sun is coming out and I have to go hiking in like 4.5 hours. This is what Fortnite does to you. Okay, so it's 10:30. I just got done playing Fortnite. I took like a 2-hour nap. I went to bed when the lights were out. I was so tired last night. I got here at Justin's church. It's my church, I just haven't been here in like a month. And
oh, hold on. We're vlogging right now.
dude,
I don't know if this is gonna work.
leak his number.
Oh, okay.
Call him up, ladies.
Call him up, ladies. He's single.
He's single.
All right.
But Tyler and all of us guys are probably gonna go hiking, and I'm going hiking on 2 hours of sleep. But I'm gonna go to Walmart with Justin, and then from Walmart we're gonna go hiking. The drive is like an 1.5-hour drive.
It's less than an hour. Calm down.
No, it's not less than an hour.
Yeah,
you not look it up?
Tyler, are you here?
We don't know if Tyler's here or not, but
Tyler T Sizzle. I don't know,
but we're gonna go hiking.
Let's go to Walmart.
Let's go to Walmart. Walmart with Justin and Hunter?
I wore this flannel jacket in a month or two.
Yeah, sure. He lives in it, guys. The vlog I'm uploading today, we talk about his flannel jacket, and he's wearing it again.
FYI, the song is called High by Sir Sly. It's a great song.
Happy St. Patty's Day to everyone. We're in Walmart.
Don't you love it how we celebrate a Catholic priest by going out and drinking beer?
They're just the best. But no, Justin, he needs shoes because he didn't bring like hiking shoes. He doesn't have hiking shoes. I mean, I was gonna go in Vans.
Your boys left his shoes.
Vans are light.
Off of that plug.
But yeah, we're looking at all these shoes and ones. Yeah, what about and ones?
Dude, I gotta be able to afford and ones.
They're $20.
I just need crap shoes.
They're not that bad. Yeah, whoa, they look really bad actually. Loafers. Dude, go hiking in some loafers. Dude, sandal it out. Sandal it out. I'm really liking these. Like, look at the frame.
You ever felt like your phone is like trash because mine is?
Give me a Chance the Rapper quote.
I've said this one before. I don't practice modesty. I only perform.
Say it louder.
I don't practice modesty. I only perform.
Louder.
No. I see what you're doing here. I don't like it. Should I get these? What do you feel about these?
I feel like they're too gray. They look kind of like...
Well, I'm just going to trash them.
Well, I mean...
I can go with these.
I do like those.
I can trash these.
But they're 14.
This one's 14 also. These are 10, but they're like... There's
trash.
like no support on the
Well, you're gonna
side of the
trash
feet.
them.
Yeah, but there's no support. Like, I'm gonna like mess up my feet.
You'll break
These
your ankle.
on the other hand...
They look like they have support, but in the reality...
They have more support than those do.
Do they really?
Yes.
Are you sure those
Yes,
do?
these are like full of stitching on this thing. These are trash shoes, by the way. Let's just go with that. This is what I did.
You should really buy some Yeezys.
This is 2 years ago. I did this.
I mean, you can try them on and we can take a seat somewhere.
Seats? Who needs seats? Yeah, here at Walmart, buying shoes. Because that's what you do when you're po.
Film me, roast me. Roast me. Roast me.
I just dropped the shoes. I'm not wanting to buy them. I'm just gonna go hiking in Crop.
I like this tie and this hat.
I'm gonna go get Arizona tea. I'm gonna be right back.
I'm gonna get some water. Hey, we're gonna walk over there in a second. I'm gonna get some water. You ain't gotta leave us right now. We're gonna walk back over there.
Hey, Tyler. Happy St. Patrick's Day. What? Speak louder. I can't hear you. Speak a little louder. REM on the radio.
So we're at Checkers right now. I don't know what Checkers is. I don't know what this place is.
Driving going.
That's like the least important part of the game.
No, it's the most important. You gotta get to the hole.
That's what she said. That's what she said.
I don't know anything about golf.
You don't have to use a driver at all if you don't feel like it.
Why don't you just drive?
They're hiring $1 tees. Wow. Look at them. They're like a family. It's crazy. I don't know what's happening. My food is not ready. I'm just filming them. And Tyler looks like he's confused as always. But we love him. And then Justin got high C. Okay, I don't know what these people are. Maybe a little bit. What was happening?
She is not happy.
Tree
I was
right
gonna
here.
say my body language skills tell me that she is pissed at him.
And then what are you doing?
I forgot how slow these things are.
That's what she said.
How would you know?
It sounds like a problem.
Yeah, it sounds like your problem. Sounds like you got a big problem. Don't hide.
Get that camera out of my face. I'm done. You know America. You know internet. Huh?
Tyler, are you still
We're
single?
gonna make it an integral part
Yeah,
of the
it's gonna be an
video.
integral part of your thing.
Will it be like at the end and you'll be like, flash my number up there? Don't flash my number up there. Don't give it out to them.
Oh, it is. I'll just blur it.
No,
It's
what you need
fun.
to do is you need to
No,
save
what
that.
the heck? Your blurring skills are terrible.
Yeah, what if a girl actually wants to talk to you?
Don't find me.
Comes out today. Oh, ooh la la. Oh, look at this content. Ladies, he's single.
He's single.
Still single.
Oh, hello. Hello.
Tell me what we're doing right now. Where are we at? What are we doing?
We're trying to hike.
We're trying?
Catawba Falls.
We're trying. We're trying.
It's not cold out here. I don't know what you're saying.
It's a little bit nippy.
No, it's not.
It's a little bit nippy.
This way you gotta wear your flannel, boys. You can wear flannel throughout any time of year. Watch out, Catherine. Ready? Ready. Parkour! Parkour! Parkour!
Amazing.
Parkour!
Somebody do a front flip.
Parkour! The great outdoors. Just think about it. When we get to the top, it's all the way downhill.
Exactly, Justin.
There's a cute dog up here.
Cute dog. Do you see the dog? It's cute. There's a guy shirtless.
Tell him what the one guy we just saw.
So, we're seeing a lot of people out here, like, either shirtless or, like, down to nothing. It's actually funny. There was this one guy we passed. He was only in a Speedo, literally. It was a yellow Speedo, and that was literally it. Me and Justin and another guy are just getting left behind by everyone else. I'm trying to wait up for Justin, and everyone's just booking it. Even Catherine's going, even Tyler's going, and we're all gonna die. There's this one dude behind us. He's with us, but he's not with us. Because he's walking it. And then we got the squad rolling out deep. You already know.
Look at that rock. I'm a nature expert. Look at that. It's erosion.
Tyler is over here.
I got it!
He got a crawdad. He's been over here for a couple minutes fishing for crawdads, and he got one. Let him free. Aww, and he's gone. Smash. I'm not vlogging much of like the waterfall. It's pretty awesome. Like there's a bridge. Tyler's doing something. Cute dog. Justin's struggling a little bit.
That's a lie.
There's like so many dogs that are so cute. There's so many cute dogs. And Justin's not really keen on going up.
No, I'm not.
Why?
Ever since I was a baby, I've had terrible balance.
Let's go up.
Nope.
Why?
I like my ankles. I like my ankles.
I'm convincing Justin to do it. It's really a good incline. I'm proud of him. Justin is having a hard time climbing, but the falls look so beautiful right here.
Climbing has never been my thing. It's never been my thing.
It's just straight up, and then from right here, there's a rope that you have to climb up with.
Directly straight up.
It's straight up.
And you gotta climb back. I'm worried about the climb back down. I know how clumsy I am. One without me.
No, come on.
No.
At least try.
Get up there. You can get up there.
I can get up there, yes.
Yes, we'll go.
You vlogging me, I don't like you.
What do you feel like Tyler right now?
A little bit, but like, nobody can go full Tyler.
They're coming back down.
They're coming back down, we're too late.
Guys, Justin went back down, but it's just like straight up, but the view keeps getting better and better. Like it's straight down, and then you gotta go all the way up this, but the view is just so nice. Chris is out here killing it. The view is just, this is beautiful. Guys, we made it. Tyler's over there looking at more animals, but look at this waterfall. This is so beautiful. Chris is over here. It just goes down. There's like a light mist that's just hitting me, and it's beautiful because I'm not like freezing, but it's cold. It's so beautiful though. Waterfall Tyler. Waterfall Tyler. What do you think of the waterfall?
It's alright.
Is it misty?
Yeah.
Is it moist?
Yeah.
No! Joe, don't fall, Joe, no! No, Joe. No, 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 no. Oh, no. Tyler, how much money for you to go jump in the water right now?
More than you have.
Okay.
Slap your phone into the water.
You gonna slap my phone in the water? But you wouldn't be on my YouTube videos anymore.
I don't really want to.
Yeah, you want to be on my YouTube videos. I know you like the fame. How many ghost numbers have you picked up since being on my vlog?
Related to the vlog or otherwise?
Anyone? Any? Zero!
You don't know.
Tyler's going for it. Is he gonna slip? Is he gonna slip? Jump, 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 jump. Just kidding, Tyler, don't do it. Oh, parkour! Yeah! What are you doing? He's literally under a rock. Tyler is just hiding out here. I'm in my Vans, ripped jeans. You already know the waterfall is beautiful, like I've said 1,000 times.
Don't mean it moving slow, even though you speak up.
I'm on my cutback.
Yeah. Hello.
This rope, it's so difficult. Chris, it's difficult, right?
Yeah.
It's so difficult.